How to fix Roborock S8 Error 1. The first step is to check if the laser turret is spinning. So turn on the robot and start a cleaning cycle. Watch the round laser turret on stop. Robot official guidance is to verify that the laser unit is spinning. If it isn't, gently rotate it manually and restart the robot. So make sure you rotate it manually and simply restart the robot to get the best results. If that doesn't work, you can remove dust and hair around the turret by removing debris that prevents the LiDAR sensor from rotating properly. Power off the robot to do this. Inspect the gaps around the laser turret. Remove any hair, dust, or threads. Wipe the LiDAR window with a microfiber cloth, and that should fix the error. Any blocked or dirty LDS components are common causes of error 1. Now, if that doesn't work, you could also try restarting the robot. After cleaning, perform a full restart by powering off the S8, wait for 30 to 60 seconds, power it back on, and start a cleaning cycle. A simple reboot can clear temporary sensor errors. And you could also try updating your firmware by checking for software updates in the Robo app. Open up the Roborock app, select your S8, go to settings, and check the firmware updates. Firmware issues are less common but can cause sensor operation issues. If that doesn't work, you should also try returning your LSD motor or sensor as it may be failing. All right.